Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to write FIR for lost mobile phone in English. In the context of criminal law, an FIR stands for First Information Report. It is a written document filed with the police when someone reports the commission of a cognizable offense. Essentially, it's the initial record of a crime that the police received. So, in case your mobile phone or something is stolen or you have lost it somewhere, you need to report this to your nearest police station. In this video, we will discuss the format in which you can write the FIR. To the station house officer. In the next line, police station name and police station address. With city and date. Subject: complaint regarding lost mobile phone. In this video, I have taken the example of lost mobile phone. You can write any of the cognizable offense that you want to report or complain about. Next is, respected sir or madam. I, here write your name, son or daughter of, write your parents' name or guardian's name. Residing at, here mention your address. Wish to report the loss of my mobile phone. The phone, here mention the brand and model name of, here mention the color of your mobile phone. Was lost on date, at, mention the time. In the vicinity of, mention the location where your mobile phone was lost. For example, I will write the phone, a Samsung model A23 of black color, was lost on 30th April at 7 p.m. in the vicinity of Kamla Nagar. Next, moving on. The device was being used with the mobile number. Here, mention your mobile number. And its IMEI number is here. Mention the IMEI number of your mobile phone that has been lost. The phone contains important personal and professional data, and I am concerned about its misuse. I kindly request you to register my complaint and take necessary action to trace the phone. I would also appreciate a copy of the FIR for future reference. Thank you for your time and assistance. Yours sincerely. After this, write your name, your contact number, and your email ID.